Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Sabbath services. So here we are. Time marches on, and we need to understand what's happening in the world and the great battle that's going on in the world right now. There's nothing but turmoil everywhere. And here in America, we had, beginning last night, Elon Musk dumping the truth of Twitter and the satanic Democrats. Now, we have to call the Democrat Party Satanist because they don't believe in God. Now, if there's some old-time Democrats out there and you think I'm attacking the Democrats, you need to understand those Democrats who had some allegiance to America and some understanding of serving the people are long gone, supplanted by evil people. And so one man, Elon Musk, stay tuned to find out how deep that the evil really is. And someone asked me, well, what do you think about all of that? And I said, well, it'll probably do some good until they assassinate him. Same way with Donald Trump. Interesting. Donald Trump comes from Royal Scot line, and Elon Musk comes from South Africa, probably a Royal Dutch line. And those two men are the only thing out there in the world standing against the forces of evil. But the forces and powers of evil are so strong that only two of the news networks, that is Newsmax and Fox, covered the release of the emails between the Biden administration and Twitter. Now, never has there been in the history of the world such an overt, worldwide plot and all of those things are secondary to the truth of why they come about. Now, we know that it tells us in Revelation 12:9 that Satan is deceiving the whole world actively. Okay? But Satan never comes and says, I am evil. My purpose is to destroy you. No, he comes and says, look at how good this is. Okay. Now let me read something, and this is from our book called Holidays Are God's Holy Days. And this was written by David Kupelian. And there are fewer and fewer people out there who are willing to stand for the truth. The plain truth is, sound like a magazine we used to get years ago? Yes. The plain truth is that within the space of our lifetimes, much of what America once almost universally abhorred had been packaged, perfumed, gift wrapped, and sold to us as though it had great value. And isn't that what we have today in everything? By skillfully, and they know how to do it. See? Satan and his minions know how to do it. By skillfully playing on our deepest felt national values of fairness, generosity, and tolerance, these marketers have persuaded us to embrace as enlightened and noble that which all previous generations since America's founding rejected as grossly self-destructive. In a word, evil. And here's another quote, because this tells us what's going on.